Innovative cities are connected cities, and they work in conjunction with everything that helps along to open data collection and transfer, to provide the best services and the best communication. Honeywell Mobility Edge is a unified platform for mobile computing. Mobility Edge drives an integrated, repeatable, scalable approach for accelerated and secure development, deployment, performance management, and lifecycle management of Honeywell mobile solutions going forward. Through our technology partnerships and world-class engineering team, we propose a chipset solution that ensures a longer lifecycle and enterprise support for our customers. Mobility Edge presents Dolphin CN80, Dolphin CD60, Dolphin CT40, Dolphin CK65, Thor VM1A. CN80, choice of physical keypad and scanner type. CT60, drop resistance up to 2.5 meters, water and cold resistance. CT40, full range of accessories. Dolphin CK65, ruggedized. Thor VM1A, for forklifts and electric industrial carts. ScanPal EDA Family presents EDA 50K, EDA 51, EDA 60K, EDA 70. EDA 50K, cold resistant, physical keyboard. EDA 51, fast processor, scanner with advanced decoder. EDA 70, the largest screen. We know how to make your business more effective and reduce your costs. Our products allow you to replenish stocks in the stores in due course and receive correct data in the information system at all stages of distribution. Using Honeywell mobile computers at the warehouse, you have an opportunity to increase the quantity of transactions and reduce the time of each operation. It doesn't matter in which climatic zone you are, we can constantly provide your employees an environment with safety. Our highly experienced specialists are always ready to help you solve any, even the most difficult task,